Through the smoke I see it clear, whispers floating in my ear, a green embrace, it pulls me near. Leaves so soft they hold my gaze, in their arms I lose my days. Eyes of the herb, a peaceful haze. Eyes of the herb, they never lie. Lift me up, let my soul fly high. Roots so deep, reaching the sky. Eyes of the herb, they make me sigh. Every leaf a story untold, wisdom ancient roots so bold. A gentle fire, a warmth to hold. Drift away on a mellow breeze. Life slows down, it puts me at ease. Eyes of the herb, my mind it frees. Oh, green prophet, speak to me. Tell of rivers, tell of trees. Healing hearts, setting spirits free. Every leaf a story untold, wisdom ancient roots so bold. A gentle fire, a warmth to hold. Drift away on a mellow breeze. Life slows down, it puts me at ease. Eyes of the herb, my mind it frees. Oh, green prophet, speak to me. Tell of rivers, tell of trees. Healing hearts, setting spirits free.
The hills are humming low tonight. A whisper, a call, a fading light. I hear the earth breathe in my chest. Echoes from the hills, they know my name, calling me back through the wind and the flame. Echoes from the hills, they stay the same. The sky wears a cloak of deep navy blue. Stars like tears falling for you. The ground holds secrets, old and true. Do you hear it too? That voice breaking through. Echoes from the hills, they know my name, calling me back through the wind and the flame. Echoes from the hills, they stay the same. Do you hear it too? voice breaking through, echoes from the hills. They know my name, calling me back through the wind and the flame. Echoes from the hills, they stay the same. I walk where the shadows meet the dawn, where the rivers sing and the pain is gone. A melody that's been here all along. Echoes from the hills, they know my name, calling me back through the wind and the flame. Echoes from the hills, they stay the same. Where the shadows meet the dawn, where the rivers sing and the pain is gone. A melody that's been here all along.
Clouds rising higher in the afternoon glow, lazy like the river where the sweet breeze flows. Whispered tales in the smoke we blow. Kush and culture, let it be. Roots and rhythm set us free. Kush and culture, you and me. Stories in the embers where the fire burns low. Drums in the distance where the old spirits go. Every puff is a memory, every beat a soul. Breathe it in, feel the vibe. One love keeps the world alive. Kush and culture, let it be. Roots and rhythm set us free. Kush and culture, you and me. Hands to the sky like trees that sway, dancing with the moon till night turns gray. We find the rhythm, we lose the way. Hands to the sky like trees that sway, dancing with the moon till night turns gray. We find the rhythm, we lose the way. Still breathe it. Sweet smoke rising like a secret. Roots so deep, sun. The battle's lost, but life's not done. Echoes of the ancients run through every breath I've ever spun. Of Zion, fill me higher, burn the flame, stoke the fire. Lungs of Zion, take me there. Heavy heart, weightless air, weightless air. I see the sun. The battle's lost, but life's not done. Echoes of the ancients run through every breath I've ever spun. Golden rays spill through the sky. Feet on the earth, but I'm aiming high. Every heartbeat whispers why. Sacred moments never die. Sacred session, feel the blessing. Time stops spinning. No more guessing. Sacred session, truth confessing. The rhythm speaks, I keep progressing. Raindrops dance on leaves of green. A quiet place, no in between. Roots run deep, unseen, serene. Life's a song, we're just the scene. Hear the hum, the world's alive. Feel the drum, it's how we thrive. Sacred session, feel the blessing. Time stops spinning. No more guessing. Sacred session, truth confessing. The rhythm speaks, I keep progressing. Breathe it in, let the soul unfold. In this rhythm, stories told. Fire in the heart, but the beat stays cold. Sacred wisdom, ancient gold. Breathe it in, let the soul